Now, let's look at how to print a packing slip for an order within MyIllumina. Printing a packing slip is an easy, straightforward process for any order. First, to get started, log into your MyIllumina account. After you log in, select the Order Management tab along the top ribbon. This will take you to the Order Management page. Next, find an order you would like to download a packing slip for and select it. You can find your order from the Overview page within Order Management or directly from the Orders page. From the Overview page, scroll down to locate your recent orders. Once you've found your order, click on the number. This will bring up the Order Details page. From the Order Details page, scroll down to the Delivery Schedule section. For orders that have shipped, click on the packing slip number to download a copy of the packing slip. Alternatively, you can also select your order from the Orders page. From the Orders page, find your order and click on the number to bring up the Order Details page, and follow the same process.